Exporting a Weebly website is useful for backups or migrating to another platform. However, Weebly has limitations, as it doesn't provide a direct export feature for full websites, especially for e-commerce and dynamic content. Here's how you can export what's possible. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log into your account. Download the website code. Open the website editor for the site you want to export. In the top right corner of the dashboard, click Settings and then select Archive Site. This creates a zip file of your website's static content, including HTML, CSS, and image files. Weebly will email you the archived file. Download it from the email link. Limitations: the exported files will only include the static website components like pages, images, and text. Features like blogs, e-commerce functionality, and dynamic content are not included in the export. Alternative solution for dynamic content: for blogs or product pages, you may need to manually copy the content or use third-party tools to transfer it.